Hi everyone! Welcome to this week's Tuesday training, where I have been sharing tips, ideas, and tutorials on how to start, grow, and manage your own successful Avon business every Tuesday. Also, on Fridays, I have been sharing my passion of all things beauty, including makeup and skincare tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Now, I do want to let you know real quick, with summer coming to an end, so will my Tuesday trainings. So next week will be my last Tuesday training. I know, it's sad. Now, if you want to go and check out all of my Tuesday training videos, you can go and save my playlist, which I have linked in the description box below. I do have other videos that I do want to add and I'm working on, but they're not going to be an every Tuesday thing. So if you do enjoy these videos, then I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. And while you're down there, if you do enjoy this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button, commenting below, or sharing with others that you think may enjoy this video as well. In case you are new here and don't know who I am, my name is Jen Antunes, and I have been an Avon independent sales representative since 2015. Since then, I've grown a successful online Avon business with customers and team members all across the U.S. My Avon business allows me to provide for my 4 boys as a single mom and still be home, especially during these difficult times. So far in 2020, I've reached Honor Society and Gold Ambassador and earned the trip for 2 to the Dominican Republic in April 2021. So today we're going to talk about marketing your Avon business. More specifically, we're going to be talking about how to use attraction marketing. For me, this has been the one that I have found that has worked immediately and over time. So before I get started, just like in my previous Tuesday training videos, when I say customers, this is going to cover customers and recruiting leads. Those who are interested in buying from you and those who are interested in joining your Avon team. Also, I'm going to be utilizing different information and images that I found in my research for this video. I'm going to link everything that I found helpful in the description box below. Now, before we get into attraction marketing, let's first go over what marketing is and why we need to market our Avon business. According to Susan Ward from Balanced Small Business website, marketing is the process of interesting potential customers and clients in your products and/or services. The process includes selling, promoting, distributing, and researching. Now, the main goal of marketing is to identify your ideal customer so they will purchase from you or join your team. But there are other reasons why marketing can be helpful to you and your business. It can be an effective way to engage with your customers. It helps build a relationship between you and them. It's a way to communicate and inform your customers. It keeps you relevant. You're able to compete with other businesses and other representatives. You'll be able to build and maintain your business's reputation. It will help you gain insight about your business, and it will provide more opportunities for you and your business. Now, there are a wide variety of marketing strategies out there, but today we're going to focus on what is called attraction marketing. For those of you who follow my blog, Journey of an Avon Mom, you may remember back in March, I briefly went over attraction marketing in my Avon Selling Tips Coronavirus Tips blog. I'm going to link it down below for any of you who would like to check it out. In the blog, I described attraction marketing using mega-peric description, which is giving value and offering free content to pull prospective leads into your company. The attraction part is not about buy, or join. Its goal is to grab people's attention on an unconscious level so that they don't really know they've been converted until they take action. I know right now for many of us, we're struggling to provide personalized services to our customers, which is one of the many benefits our customers enjoy and want from us as representatives. Attraction marketing is a way we can provide this to our customers. It provides us a way to build a relationship, establish trust, and help us engage with our customers. Here's a list of 10 benefits using attraction marketing, specifically in direct sales, according to Brenda Stir. It's going to help you make sales and add new representatives to your team. It'll help you build and maintain relationships with customers. It's a great way to build your email list. Customers will gain more trust in you. It's a great way to build a brand. It'll help you grow a following on social media. You'll be able to help empower and inspire others. It's a useful tool that will help you create a follow-up system that will be unique. One of the big benefits for me, it's an inexpensive way to market your business. And it'll help you stay positive and optimistic, even on those hard days that we all get from time to time. Believe it or not, you see attraction marketing all the time. For example, you know those ads on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube where they offer you a free downloadable guide or a free virtual seminar that's going to help you resolve, let's say, a popular one I see is getting more leads for your business. Have you ever done one of those Home Depot workshops where they teach you how to do a do-it-yourself project, like laying down carpet or putting in mosaic tile in your bathroom? Guess what? Both of these are examples of attraction marketing. They are providing you value and answer to your problem. They are attracting you to their business. I love how Kayla Carmichael explains it in her article, Attraction Marketing, what it is and how to use it. She says with attraction marketing, instead of giving off the message of, this is why you need it, you're going to be focusing on, this is why I need it. Do you see the difference now? Nowadays, especially with current events, customers are not interested in a sales pitch. They want to know how you're able to achieve such beautiful skin. They want to know why you are so much more confident and proud of yourself. They want to learn how to get your long, beautiful lashes, or how you created that beautiful makeup look or hairstyle. You see where I'm getting at? According to Kayla Carmichael, here's some things you're going to want to think about when it comes to implementing attraction marketing. You're going to want to tell your story, because this is going to be a great way to connect with customers and to show off your personality. In doing so, you're going to be building trust. So how does an Avon product or your Avon business add value to your life? What features does this product offer that you love? How has your Avon business benefited your life? Customers are going to want what you got. You're going to be able to help provide them a way to feel better about themselves or to be inspired. Just make sure when you're talking about facts, like what a specific skincare ingredient does or what the customer ratings are on a product, that they are true and that they are up to date. Lastly, you're going to want to choose a platform that works for you, where you feel the most comfortable. I use attraction marketing not only with this YouTube channel, but also in my blog, Journey of an Avon Mom, which I started back in 2016 to have a place for customers to learn more about buying and selling Avon with things like product guides, product reviews, how-tos, and tips. Also, each month I do a journal-like blog where I talk about a topic on what is going on in my life, such as my depression or fighting cancer. And my latest one, where I celebrated my 5th anniversary as an Avon independent sales representative, and I talk about my journey over the last 5 years. These platforms work for me. I love to write, and even more so, I love to help others to be informed through tips and how-tos. Recently, I even started doing makeup tutorials on IGTV each Monday. You have to decide how you're going to provide your customers information, and then that's going to help you determine where you can go. When done correctly, this is the journey that your targeted audience, aka desired customer, will go on. So, the customer will have a problem and they're going to go and do a search on Google, or when they come across your social media post, they're going to click on it, which will then turn them to visitors of your blog, your YouTube channel, or your social media page. There, they're going to find a form or landing page where they can sign up to learn more about what you provide. Now, as a lead, you'll be prompted to follow up with them through whatever follow-up system you create with emails, phone calls, text messages. Then, when they are ready, they will purchase from you or join your Avon team. And when they know someone of a similar problem, they're going to refer you because you were the one that helped them resolve their problem. Now, a customer may move about this journey at a different speed where they go from stranger to promoter in minutes, or it could take months. I've even had some customers skip a step or two. But I know firsthand it works. For me, this has been the most successful marketing strategy in growing my business, especially online. Okay, so now what? Here are the 5 steps I recommend doing in ensuring success with your attraction marketing strategy. The first thing you're going to want to do is know who you are going to be speaking to. Consider yourself as a consumer. What do you love about Avon and the Avon opportunity? You can focus on one of the categories. Say you love fashion and jewelry. You can do a blog or a YouTube video where you talk about the latest fashion trends. And you can link examples of Avon fashion pieces that are on trend. You can share pictures of yourself or create an infographic on how to wear different Avon necklaces with different tops. I mean, the list goes on. And what is great about Avon is that you have a wide variety of options, from beauty to fragrances to fashion to home. Choose what you love and share what you know. Once you know who you are talking to, next, I recommend creating a routine or a schedule of when you're going to be adding new content or updating your content. When it comes to any type of marketing, consistency is key. And the best way to stay consistent is to have a routine. Next, you're going to want to start creating that content. I recommend doing it in advance as much as you can. Now, depending on what type of content you're doing, you may need to create content weeks in advance. Remember, you're going to want to make sure you're providing professional looking and, most importantly, quality content. Now, once you have content, you're going to want to make sure you have a follow-up system in place. I recommend getting this going or at least set up prior to releasing your first content piece. That way, you'll be ready to go and not be scrambling around when a customer reaches the follow-up stage. Remember, this can happen within minutes. Then, after a while, for me, I personally do it 2 times a year. You're going to want to evaluate what's working and what's not. And if you need to, you can make adjustments. Or at the very least, you'll know what to do more of. Well, that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you can let me know by clicking that like button or commenting below. Also, please share it with anyone you know who may find this video helpful. And don't forget to check the description box below for more information on attraction marketing. Between these articles and what I discussed today, I am confident that you'll be ready to go set up your own attraction marketing strategy. And while you're down there, I recommend hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Remember, next week is going to be my last Tuesday training video, at least for a while. It's going to be a good one, so you're definitely going to want to check it out. Until then, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.